Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy. Welcome to our EVS2 session, that is history. Today we are going to learn about activity or information based on lesson number 13, lesson number 14 and lesson number 15. My dear students, let us grab some information about Agra. Agra is a city on the banks of the Yamuna River in the Agra district of the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. Agra is 206 kilometers south of the national capital of New Delhi. Agra is the fourth most populous city in Uttar Pradesh. Agra was the main residence of the emperors of the Mughal dynasty until 1638, when the capital was shifted from Agra to Delhi. What is Agra famous for? Agra is a major tourist destination because of its many Mughal era buildings, most notably the Taj Mahal, Agra Fort, and Fatehpur Sikri, all of which are World Heritage Sites. What is the history of Agra? It is generally accepted that Agra was both an ancient city from the times of the Mahabharata and yet nevertheless Sultan Sikandar Lodi, the Muslim ruler of the Delhi Sultanate, founded Agra in the year 1504. After the Sultan's death, the city passed on to his son Sultan Ibrahim Lodi. Which is the river of Agra? Agra city, western Uttar Pradesh state, northern India. It lies in the Indo-Gangetic plain on the Yamuna or Jamuna river, about 125 miles, 200 km southeast of Delhi. Who built Taj Mahal? My dear students, now you can see the image of Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal was built by Ustad Ahmad Lahori. My dear students, here we can see the image of Diwan-e Khas. Let us grab some information about Diwan-e Khas. The Diwan-e Khas or hall of private audiences was a chamber in the Red Fort of Delhi, built in 1648 as a location for receptions. Diwan-e Khas was the location where the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan received courtiers and state guests. It was also known as the Shah Mahal. Who built Diwan-e Khas in Fatehpur Sikri? Diwan-e Khas is located in the Fatehpur Palace or city, built by Emperor Akbar in 16th century. My dear students, now we will see what is famous food for Agra. The famous street food of Agra has distinct taste, is absolutely lip-smacking and immensely tasty. First we will see the image of paratha. Then we can see jalebi. Here we can also see dalmat. Then sweet dish petha and bhalla, or we call dahi bhalla. What is famous in Agra for shopping? Things to buy in Agra: rugs and carpets, jewelry, embroidery textiles, silk saris or textiles, handicrafts, sweets. Which city is known for food? Delhi, the capital of the country, is also known to be the food capital of India for food lovers. They have some of the best street food city in India, widely famous for its range of street foods like chaat, chole, bhature to the amazing butter chicken. Now we will see the information on Mathura city in Uttar Pradesh. My dear students, here you can see the image of temple in Mathura. Mathura is a sacred city in Uttar Pradesh, northern India. A deity Lord Krishna is said to have been born on the site of Sri Krishna Janmabhoomi, a Hindu temple. Dwarkadhish temple has a carved entrance and a black marble idol of Lord Krishna. How old is Mathura? The history of Mathura can be traced to approximately 2500 years. Who ruled Mathura after Krishna? After death of Vasudev's father, King Shursen, Ugrasen became the king and not Vasudev. What is the language of Mathura? Braj Bhasha language, also spelled Braj Bhasha or Brij Bhasha language. It is spoken by some 5,75,000 people primarily in India. What is the famous food of Mathura? Milk, rabri and lassi is a famous food of Mathura. It is basically condensed milk served in earthen pot with kesar, spices and nuts added to it. Rabri and jalebi is a bond that can never be broken. My dear students, let us grab some information about Rajgarh. Rajgarh is a hill fort situated in the Pune district of Maharashtra, India. Who built Rajgarh Fort? Rajgarh is the first fort built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. My dear students, let us move further and see some information about Sinhgarh. Previously the fort known as Kondhana Fort. Who won Tanaji's war? Marathas won Tanaji's war due to Tanaji's bravery and hoisted the saffron flag on the Kondhana fort. Now my dear students, let us move further and we will have a look on Raireshwar temple's information. On your display you can see the temple image of Raireshwar. What is Raireshwar famous for? Raireshwar has a temple famous for its historical importance. My dear students, let us see the information about Paithan. Paithan is famous for saris. The Paithani, beautiful silk sari that has embroidered with gold or silver border. So, my dear students, I hope this EVS 2 session of history, activity or information based on lesson number 13, lesson number 14 and lesson number 15 is useful to you and understood to you. Thank you.